How to recover deleted Instagram messages. So in order to do that, head over right here to your profile icon on the bottom, click right here for your three lines, and then click on your Meta account center right here. So on some cases, it will also take some time for this Meta account center to load. So what you can do in that case is to just head over and then wait for this to finish the loading process. And you should be able to see the settings that are the password, security, personal details, and ad preferences connected to your Meta account center. Head over and click on it until it opens. Now, once it opens, you should be able to see in here this account settings. So you can see in here your information and permission. Head over and click on that until you can see this. So just click on this, download your information. Now in here, click on this download or transfer information. So just choosing here your Instagram account you have. Click on next. And then click on this sum of your information. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. So just look in here for messages. So let me look for that right here. And then you can also try to search for it if you can find it while looking. Here it is. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see in here the next method that you can do. Head over and then click right here for the next option. And then click on this download device, or you can also transfer it to destination. Click on this next. Click on this create files right here. And then this should be able to send the messages that are deleted on your email. So just wait for this to be available for download. So that's how you recover deleted Instagram messages. Hope we helped.